Hi family, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. Thank you for stopping by. Yes, so today we are going for another traditional meal, and this is called Abom. Yes, usually prepared with cocoyam leaves. So we started off by boiling our cocoyam leaf, which was quite washed, and I added some tomatoes, some onions, some garden egg, and some pepper because those are the major ingredients we'll be using. So as you can see right now, I'm using the cold water to cool off the garden egg, which was well cooked, and I'm taking off the peel from it. I'm going to leave the seed because I find it very nutritious, and so I'll be using the seed as well. Now I went back to check on the pepper. It was also soft enough to be grind, so I took off the pepper and the onions, and I'm going to grind all this together. Guys, please, if at this point you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please kindly do so and like my video at the end of the video if you like it. Thank you so much. Yes, so I went ahead to also take my tomatoes, which I grinded, and it was well smooth. This is the texture I wanted it. Okay, you can decide any texture you want, guys. So now the garlic eggs is cool. I'm adding that as well to put all together and grind it. This was so good. It looks so good and so delicious. This is very nutritious, and so don't miss out on this recipe. Try it and you will love it. Well, as you can see, my cocoyam leaves was also ready as well, so I took it off the fire and sieved the water out of it. As you can see, I used the ladle to press out the excess water that will be inside because I don't want the whole thing to be quite watery. I went ahead to boil some yam and some plantain, semi-ripe plantain, because I know we have fans of people who like the unripe plantain, but I love the semi-ripe plantain for my abom. As you can see rightly, I'm adding my cocoyam leaves to it, and I'm going to mash all of this together. Yes, and it looks so dry because I dried out the water from it. While grinding the cocoyam leaves together, from time to now you will be just required to mix it together with your ladle and check if the texture is what you're actually looking for, and if it's not, just continue grinding. So that's exactly what I did, and at this point it was, I think, the texture I wanted, and so I'm going to give this a very good stir and set it aside. Guys, I wanted to add my mackerel, which I kept in the freezer for a long time. I brought it out quite late, and I tried my possible best. I tried everything humanly best to get this thing defrost, but I was tired of it. So at this moment, I just went ahead to add my red oil or palm oil to my hot saucepan, and after it melted gently, I added my salted tilapia fish, or the Kobe. Yes, added to it to fry it for some time on both sides, and when that was ready, I took it off and added it to my abom mixture that I did in my egg. So you have the option to mash this together in the dish or just leave it. So I decided to just give it a little heat here and there so that I can have the feel in the stew or in the meal that I'm preparing. Well, while that was done, I added some onions to my heated palm oil, and I added some seasoning cube as well. I gave this a very good stir, and I just took it off the fire because it was already hot, and I added it to the dish. At this point, trust me, this meal is ready and ready to be dipped in. I gave this a very good stir and tasted it, and because I added the Kobe, I wanted to be sure that the salt was enough, and because it wasn't enough, I added just a little pinch of salt. If you like salt like my husband, then you can go ahead and add as much as you want. Of course, after adding your salt, you definitely have to give this your final stir, and voila, your food is ready. Guys, check out the outcome. It looks so good, and the taste was no different. I just really love the outcome. I like the red palm oil. It was not too much. I like the Kobe, and I added some egg and some onions to it as well. You are free to add any vegetable of your choice, and as you know, we added some pepper to it as well, just to garnish it, and the egg. Guys, this was so good. I checked out my yam and it was ready, and so I'm going to be serving this right here and enjoy it. I wish you were here to have this with me. It was so tasty. It was so good. And if after watching this video you don't have cravings for this meal, then really have to check it. Guys, I hope you enjoy watching this video. I hope you are inspired to prepare this recipe. I can't wait for you to share with me in the comment section how it tasted or how you prepared your own, because there are so many ways in preparing it. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, if you haven't liked any of my videos, please do me this big favor and do so, because it really helps me a lot. But until we meet again, guys, enjoy your week, have a great wonderful weekend, and remember that I love you all. Thank you so much, and bye.